Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to blur video background in Capcut PC Easy Capcut tutorial. So for you to be able to proceed with this, just launch the Capcut app onto your desktop. And once you're already in here, the first thing that you need to do is to import the videos. And for you to be able to do so, just click onto this button here that says import, and you should be able to browse onto your different files, or you could simply drag and drop the different videos that you want to add in here. So you could also browse through the different files that or different videos that CapCut offers. So these are free videos wherein you could use this. And for you to be able to go ahead and add this, you'll just have to download each videos. And right after you have downloaded this, there should be an icon for you to go ahead and add those tracks onto your timeline. So those blue arrows or those blue icons in here, you'll just have to click onto that to add those videos. And if you want to go ahead and blur the background, we need to add two videos in here. So we're just going to add the same video, click onto it again, and then we're going to drag it here onto the upper part, the other video. Now, right after it is looking like this, you'll have to click onto the upper part of the video in here, and then we'll click onto cutout, and then you'll just have to click onto auto cutout. So it will go ahead and just leave this specific video that we have in here or the person that we have onto the video. So we're just gonna wait for that one to be finished. And once the cutout is done, just head here onto the effects, and then you'll have to search for the effects in here that says blur. Click onto that so you could utilize the search bar in here so that it would be easier for you to find that one. So under video effects, we have the blur in here. We're gonna add this onto the main video that we have in here, and this should blur the background that you have onto your video. And as you can see, it should look something like this. And that is just basically it onto how to blur the video background in CapCut PC. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.